associated with his avatara like Rama to the pure delight of the divine child. The Pallavi of this song says, I meditate upon the little Gopala who is served by my mind and heart. I always meditate on those feet. And this beautiful Kirtana is composed in Kalyani Ragam and has been popularized by legendary singer Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi Garu.
Manasevitam tatpadam chintayam sada bhavayami gopala balam manasevitam tatpadam chintayam sada bhavayami gopala balam manasevitam tatparam chintayam sada gati gatita mekala kachitamani kandika gati gatita mekala kachitamani kandika patalani nadena vibrajamanam gati gatita mekala kachitamani kandika patalani nadena vibrajamanam kutala padagatita samkula sinchitinatam putala kada katita samkula sinchitinatam chatula natana saujvala vilasam bhavayami gopala balam manasevitam tatpadam chintayam sada bhavayami gopala balam manasevitam tatpadam chintayam sada. Thank you.